Next topic for beginners in English. Taking a taxi. Basic English for rides. Taxi, destination, and payment. Level, beginner. Easy English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Carlos.
And I'm Jenna. We're very happy you're here today. We use easy words, slow English, and real-life conversations.
Today's episode is very useful for daily life and travel.
The topic is taking a taxi, basic English for rides.
You will learn how to talk to a taxi driver, say your destination, and pay.
Relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
Basic taxi vocabulary.
Let's start with easy words. Please repeat after me. Taxi. Driver. Car. Destination. Street. Hotel. Airport. Money. Cash. Card.
Great. Now easy meanings. Taxi, a car you pay to ride. Driver, person who drives. Destination, place you want to go. Cash, paper money.
Getting into the taxi.
Now let's learn how to start the ride. Repeat slowly. Hello. Good morning. Good evening.
Very good. A greeting is important. Saying your destination. Key phrase. This is one of the most important sentences. Repeat after me. Please take me to the hotel. Please take me to the airport. Please take me to the city center.
You can change the place at the end.
Dialogue. Saying the destination. Dialogue 1. Simple taxi conversation. Hello. Please take me to the airport.
Okay.
Thank you. Talking about streets and directions.
Sometimes the driver asks questions. Repeat. This street, please. Turn left, please. Turn right, please. Stop here, please.
Great job. Talking about time and traffic. Repeat slowly. How long does it take? It's fast. It's slow. There is traffic.
These sentences help you understand the ride. Understanding the driver.
The driver may say, there is traffic. It's okay. We are here.
Simple and easy.
Talking about price, very important.
Now let's learn about money. Repeat slowly. How much is it? How much does it cost? The price is $10.
Very good. Dialogue, asking the price.
That's $15.
How much is it?
$15.
Okay, thank you. Paying the driver. Repeat after me. I pay with cash. I pay with card. Do you take cards?
Easy answers. Yes, card is okay. Cash only.
Dialogue. Paying for the ride. Do you take cards?
Yes.
Great. Thank you. Talking about bags.
Repeat slowly. I have a bag. I have 2 bags. Please help with my bag.
Very good. Listening practice. Short story. Now listen carefully.
I take a taxi. I say my destination. I sit in the car. There is traffic. We arrive. I ask the price. I pay the driver.
Polite English in a taxi. Repeat these polite words. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry.
Example sentences. Please take me to the hotel. Thank you very much. Sorry, I don't understand.
Full conversation. Beginner level.
Dialogue 2. Complete taxi ride. Hello, where to?
Please take me to the city center.
Okay.
How much is it?
$10.
Okay, I pay with card.
No problem.
Thank you.
Common problems and easy solutions.
Sometimes problems happen. Repeat. I'm late. I'm lost. I need help.
Easy answers. No problem. I can help. We are here.
Listen and repeat practice. Repeat after me. Taxi. driver, destination, money, cash, card.
Excellent.
Now your turn. Answer out loud. Where do you want to go? How much is it? Do you pay with cash or card?
Speak slowly and clearly.
Final vocabulary review. Let's review today's words. Taxi, destination, driver, money, cash, card.
Great job.
You did an amazing job today.
Now you can take a taxi and speak English with confidence.
Practice every day, even a little.
Thank you for listening to the Learn English Channel podcast.
See you next topic.
Using ride apps. Uber, Lyft. Simple English.
Next topic for beginners in English. Using ride apps. Uber, Lyft. Simple English. Basic communication in ride apps. Level, beginner. Easy English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Carlos.
And I'm Jenny. We're very happy you're here today.
This podcast helps English beginners speak with confidence in real life.
We use easy words, slow English, and real situations.
Today's episode is very useful for daily life and travel.
The topic is using ride apps. Simple English.
You will learn how to speak English when using apps like Uber or Lyft.
Relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
Basic ride app vocabulary.
Let's start with easy words. Repeat after me. Ride app, Uber, Lyft, driver, car, pickup, destination, message, map, phone.
Great. Now easy meanings. Ride app means app to get a car. Pickup means place where the driver comes. Destination means place you want to go. Driver means person who drives the car.
Ordering a ride.
Now let's talk about ordering a ride. Repeat slowly. I order a ride. I need a car. My ride is coming.
Very good.
Talking about pickup location. Key phrase.
This is one of the most important sentences. Repeat after me. I'm here. I'm at the entrance. I'm in front of the hotel. I'm at the bus stop.
Great job. Dialogue. Telling the driver, I'm here. Dialogue 1. Message in the app.
I'm here.
Okay, I see you.
Thank you.
Talking about the destination. Repeat slowly. My destination is the airport. I'm going to the city center. Please take me to the hotel.
Very good.
Talking about time and waiting.
Repeat after me. I'm waiting. The driver is coming. The car is here.
These sentences are very common.
Talking to the driver in the car.
Now, let's practice speaking inside the car. Repeat slowly. Hello. Good morning. Good evening.
Great. A greeting is important.
Asking the driver to stop. Key phrase.
Repeat after me. Please stop here. Stop here, please. Please stop.
Excellent. Dialogue. Asking to stop. Is this okay?
Yes, please stop here.
Okay.
Simple messages in the app. Repeat these easy messages. I'm here. I'm waiting. Please wait. Thank you.
Very good. Talking about payment. Easy.
With ride apps, payment is easy. Repeat. I pay in the app. The payment is in the app. No cash.
Great job. talking about bags.
Repeat after me. I have a bag. I have 2 bags. I have a small bag.
Very good. Listening practice. Short story.
Now listen carefully.
I open the app. I order a ride. The driver is coming. I send a message. I'm here. The car arrives. I get in the car. I say, please stop here. Polite English with ride apps.
Repeat these polite words. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. Sorry.
Example sentences. Please stop here. Thank you very much. Sorry, I don't understand.
Full conversation. Beginner level. Dialogue 2. Complete ride app conversation.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you Jenny?
Yes, I am.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the hotel.
Okay.
Please stop here.
Sure.
Thank you.
Common problems and easy solutions.
Sometimes problems happen. Repeat. I can't see the car. I'm lost. I need help.
Easy answers. No problem. I'm coming. I can help. Speaking practice for you.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. Where are you now? What is your destination? Where do you want to stop?
Speak slowly and clearly. Final vocabulary review.
Let's review today's words. Ride app, driver, pickup, destination, stop, help.
Great job.
You did an amazing job today.
Now you can use ride apps and speak English with confidence.
Remember, practice every day, even a little.
Thank you for listening to the Learn English Channel podcast.
See you next topic.
Driving a car. Basic English for navigation.
Next topic for beginners in English. Driving a car. Basic English for navigation. Directions and car navigation. Level. Beginner. Easy English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast.
Hi, I'm Jen, and we're very happy you're here today.
This podcast helps you learn English for real life.
We use easy words, slow English, and simple conversations.
Today's episode is very useful if you drive a car or use GPS.
The topic is driving a car, basic English for navigation.
You will learn how to understand directions in English.
Relax, listen, and repeat with us.
Basic car and road vocabulary.
Let's start with easy words. Repeat after me. Car, road, street, avenue, traffic, map, GPS, driver.
Great. Now the meaning. Car, vehicle. Road, street. Place to drive. GPS, navigation system. Traffic, many cars on the road. Basic direction words, very important.
These words are very important. Repeat slowly. Left, right, straight, back.
Again, left, right, straight, back.
Key phrases for navigation.
Now the most important phrases. Repeat after me. Turn left, turn right, go straight, go back.
Very good.
Using GPS in English.
When you use GPS, you hear simple commands. Repeat. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Arrive at your destination.
Excellent.
Simple dialogue with GPS.
Go straight.
Okay,
Turn left.
turning left.
Stops, signs, and speed.
Repeat these words. Stop. Sign. Traffic light. Red light. Green light.
Good job. Traffic light conversation.
The light is red.
Stop the car.
The light is green.
Go straight.
Asking for directions. Very useful.
Sometimes you need help. Repeat. Excuse me. Can you help me? Where is this street?
Great.
Dialogue. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight and turn right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Common places for navigation.
Repeat. Hospital. School. Hotel. Restaurant. Gas station.
Excellent.
At the gas station.
Repeat. I need gas. Fill the tank, please.
Very good.
Understanding simple directions.
Listen carefully. Go straight. Turn left at the corner. The place is on the right.
Very good listening. Listen and repeat practice.
Repeat slowly. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. Stop.
Great job.
Full driving conversation. Dialogue. Driving with a friend.
Where are we going?
To the restaurant.
Go straight?
Yes. Then turn left.
Okay. Common driving problems.
Repeat. I'm lost. I don't know this street. I need help.
Easy answers. No problem. Let's check the GPS. Using phone navigation.
Repeat. Open the map. Follow the GPS.
Very useful. Practice with you.
Now your turn. Answer out loud. Where do you want to go? What do you do first? Turn left or go straight?
Great practice. Vocabulary review.
Let's review. Left, right, straight, stop, straight, GPS.
Amazing. Real life practice tip.
When you drive, listen to GPS in English.
This helps your listening skills.
You did a great job today.
Now you can understand basic directions in English.
Practice every day.
Thank you for listening to the Learn English Channel podcast.
See you next topic.